Hi, Chef Joe with Healthy Kids Inc. And today we're going to be making crab and cucumber wraps with a little bit of stir-fried broccoli. So what we've got, we have our crab meat. We're going to add it to a mixing bowl here while we have a pan with a little bit of oil heating up over medium heat for our broccoli. What we want to do with our crab is season it, some salt, some fresh cracked black pepper, and a light drizzle of olive oil. Just want to lightly toss it together. And it is ready. Set it aside, or you can set it in the fridge and let it cool. We've got our cucumbers that we have cut into thin strips. We have our broccoli florets that we've gotten rid of most of the stem. So it's literally just the smaller florets, and what we've done, if we've had any larger ones, we've just cut those down in half because they are going to go inside of a wrap. We have a pan on low heat for our tortillas just to warm them through for our wraps. So at this point, we can begin to saute our broccoli. And this is going to go extremely quick. I'm going to add a splash of water to the bowl that the broccoli was in. And what I'm going to do is pull everybody into the center. I'm going to add the water and then kind of put that over the top. It's okay if you don't get all of them inside, but what this is going to do is going to actually kind of steam these in the pan. Just with that little bit of water. Don't have to do this, you can just add a splash of water to the pan and it really kind of does the same thing. Okay, you can see how quick they turned nice and bright green. Be careful, you don't want to handle that metal bowl. Okay, now what we're going to do is add soy sauce. Now to this we don't really need to add any salt because we have a salty taste from our soy sauce, but I am going to add some fresh cracked black pepper. You could add some chili flake for heat if you needed to, and a little bit of toasted sesame seeds. All right, kill the heat, and that's it for that. All right, so we've got some hoisin sauce here. I'm gonna add a spoonful and spread it around. Okay. What we want to do is take our crab meat, which we very lightly dressed with our olive oil and our salt and our pepper. Could add a splash of lemon juice too if you wanted. Alright, and we have our cucumber that we cut in 2 strips. Alright. I'm just going to roll this up. Use my tweezers, or you could really use anything as long as you can get under there. A spatula would work just fine. Okay, you want to roll it over one time, press the seam down, pull tight. We've got our seam side down, so when you place it on the plate, you want to do the same thing. I'll probably cut mine in half. We'll add the broccoli on the side. So we're going to go ahead and plate it up, and we'll show you the finished product in just a couple of minutes.